How long are you going to wait? How many times will you tell yourself one day, no more waiting, no more wishing, no more excuses? Your time is now.
Success isn't given, it is earned day by day, rep by rep. When the body says stop, the mind says one more. Champions are made in the unseen hours. Spirit, lead me where my faith is without borders, because greatness lives beyond comfort.
You say you want success, right? But do you really want it is the question. Success doesn't come to those who sit around hoping. It comes to those who refuse to quit. Those who show up every single day, no matter how they feel, okay? Failure isn't your enemy. Quitting is. Every time you fall, get back up, okay? Every time you doubt yourself, remember why you started. Remember why you started your YouTube channel, okay? The world doesn't owe you anything at all. If you want something, you go and take it. You go and take it.
Success isn't just about reaching the top. It is about the journey, the struggle, and the perseverance that got you there. This video is a symbol of resilience, determination, and the power of never giving up. Whether you are climbing the mountain of your dreams, business, education, or personal growth, remember, every step forward brings you closer to your victory. Keep pushing, keep believing, and one day you will stand at the top too.
Okay guys, before we continue, this is the experience, and on this channel
We talk about
motivation, fashion skills, and YouTube growth. So turn on your notification bell so you won't miss out on our videos, okay? Okay, then we have these three keywords: believe, act, and conquer. Believe. Everything starts with your belief, okay? To achieve anything, you must first have faith in yourself, your abilities, and possibilities of success. It helps you push through doubts and obstacles. Then secondly, act. Belief is not just enough. Action is what turns dreams into reality. Taking consistent, intentional steps towards goals is what makes progress happen, okay? Even small actions, when done persistently, lead to significant results over time. Thirdly, conquer. When you believe and take action, you position yourself for victory, okay? Success comes to those who persist despite challenges. Conquering means overcoming your doubt and obstacles, ultimately reaching your goals and becoming the best version of yourself. So just hold on and keep pushing. You will get to wherever you want to get to. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.